friends was trying to do a skid and lost control and went over a median, hit a stop sign, and totaled his car. Last week, I ended up buying a 2015 Mustang GT that got into a car accident. I got it for a fairly cheap price, which makes me stoked because I've actually been wanting one of these for quite a long time. I've only seen these handful of photos of the car. I don't know the actual state that it looks in, and oftentimes when you buy cars from online auctions, they make the car look as best as possible when you buy it, as weird as that sounds. I'm expecting the truck now any moment to show up with a car before we take it down. Now, to my knowledge, the car does not drive. So we're gonna end up pushing this thing in the shop and getting our first couple looks at the car to see what we've gotten ourselves into. If you are based in Florida or if you live in Miami, I'm gonna be there with a Hunt Company pop-up shop, and Calvin's gonna be there on April 20th. You can use my code TJ and save yourself $5 off of tickets to the show. The earlier you get in line, the better prize you will get. I know that sounds kind of weird, but the first 25 people and then the following 100 and the next following 150 are gonna get a free limited edition Hunt Company and Meguiar's product. And this isn't like a throwaway thing. This is like something we would actually sell on the website. So be sure to get there as early as physically possible to get in line to secure yourself some free product that will never be sold anywhere else. And the BRZ is gonna be there with the brand new livery that you guys saw us drop off last week. So there's no excuse not to come. We're super stoked. You're gonna hear me talking about it a lot. April 20th, Tuner Evo, come and hang out.
One eternity later.
It's been a couple hours. The guy hit a little bit of traffic, but moment of truth is here, boys. So I know it's a little bit dark, but the Mustang is on the very back here. Ooh. Oh,
actually,
this tires.
Flat, I think, is that one?
Yeah. We could probably push it though.
Oh yeah, for sure.
Aftermarket wheels on it.
I don't know.
TSW.
I mean, we can definitely push it down. I'll throw the ramps out. This thing's dragging pretty good. I put a.
Yeah, don't even worry about it. We'll just push it all the way through.
I also think we should try to pump up that tire now.
We can.
Right? This is off. It's just held on by wire tie.
Yeah, it is off. Right. So yeah, let's just cut that. Yeah. And then I don't know how screwed up it is here, so.
It doesn't even look bad unless the tire has a hole in it. But like the wheel is not even.
No, the wheel's not damaged at all.
So I wonder.
I don't know why they cleared it not to drive. I'm trying to see if I can see like a snapped lower control arm or something, but everything's pretty covered up. It like went off road. The thing's covered in mud underneath.
I say we.
My new car's here. Thanks, Teach.
I say we try to pump up the tire.
Oh, got some aftermarket
TSWs.
Some TSWs? Baby. Dude, we've got some atomic end caps. You see that?
It's holding air. It's good.
Yeah, that one's fine.
Yeah.
We should just pump that front guy up.
Okay.
That's gonna...
First looks are always really exciting when you get the car.
Straps going. I'll try to pump this tire over there.
Oh, these are like wire tied. Mustang life, Ricky. I'm part of the Mustang group now.
Dude, I'm not. You're out of the circle of trust, you know that, right? You're completely out.
We'll see if it will hold any air at all.
I need light, bro.
There's no shift knob.
No shift.
And there's no shift knob.
You mean like no shifter or no shift knob?
There's no shift knob. We need the jump box on it.
From that's a nice. Wait, hold up.
Put that light away.
Put that light. Wow, nice meme, Teej.
Oh, you like that?
You're joking.
Forward, baby. We don't know if there's even any coolant or anything. I think we should just back it down.
Keep your foot on the brake when you come back. We're gonna have to push it over the little ramps real quick.
I'm gonna interrupt today's video to say thank you to our sponsor, Petrol Box. Petrol Box is an automotive-based subscription service that is the best one that has ever been created, hands down. Petrol Box is a subscription-based service that sends you automotive things from car care products to little tools to sometimes even clothing. Next month for April, they have a collab with Hoonigan, which means it's gonna be a Hoonigan-based box, which is pretty awesome. You have up until the 15th to subscribe to that box, and if you use code TJ, you can save yourself $5 off of your first box. Here's a box from December. Great presentation, and inside they included a microfiber towel, car cleaning products, an organization tool to help sort out your 3/8 sockets, a free little fridge magnet, an ornament for a Christmas tree, and they even included a lowered lifestyle tee inside the box with my correct size. Every month the products inside the box change, and every month has a different theme. And if all of that wasn't enough for you to sign up using my code TJ, one member every month that is subscribed to Petrol Box wins a free set of Rotoform wheels for your car. Thank you so much for Petrol Box for sponsoring today's video, and now let's get back to the Mustang. From here. We're getting just enough light now to kind of see most of the damage. I'm curious to walk over this car, so I think we're gonna push it in tonight and kind of get a generalized idea of what we're really working with here. I got him. Oh.
Oh man.
It's a beast. But dude,
Where's the valve cover? There's supposed to be a cover here.
Oh yeah, the front crash bar isn't even smashed.
Yeah, I don't know what
headlights?
happened. I don't.
This isn't even messed up.
Yeah, this isn't messed up, but I noticed there's like circling here, which normally
is it dented down?
Yeah, it's fucked. Look at the other side. Look at the other side.
Yeah, it should be flat. What did something?
It has a hood prop.
Oh, there is a hood prop. Let's open that.
Something smashed the top.
If anybody knows whose car this could have been and can give us any backstory on where this came from or what happened, please reach out to us via email or in the comment section. Just from initially getting it, you can tell the guy did mod it. It's on TSW wheels and this valve cover was removed. So maybe he had something special on there. I'm not quite sure, but it's weird. The damage is like
something hit it here.
Yeah, like something fell on the hood. The hood's all screwed up, but the motor's not. It's not crunched. But this is like a little bit dented. And then see the rear bumper is like off.
Is the trunk bent?
What's
or anything?
behind door number 1? Oh, you got it. Hey.
Spare part. Taillights.
Headlights.
Looks like a resonator. So there is an aftermarket exhaust. There's like a resonator right here.
Yeah.
Rocker molding bracket.
I think they.
I'm just curious to know the story.
Yeah. I think
Yeah.
someone
Examine.
Oh wait, is that your engine cover? I can't see. Is that it?
This definitely goes to the engine, but I don't know. This is like the molding of the battery or something.
Well, look, check this out. Look at this fender. Look
There's more inside?
Well, look, be careful, because they fucking jammed this thing in here.
They did.
Scratched it.
Here, let's get that out really quick.
Dude, it's like scratching the interior.
Yeah, it's over. Hit right here. It looks like a
It looks like
street
something
signer
came
hole or
here and then like but like what would go into the hood like that?
I don't know, that's what I'm saying. A street sign maybe? I don't know. Or a person? Like,
A person?
A straight body across the hood.
what is this? This is what I don't understand.
If you come from here, you can like see it. The front frame rail is like, yeah, dude. It's like he went crowd hunting and hit a sign before a person. That's honestly what it looks like.
But this barely got hit.
I know. Probably still needs to get sent to a frame shop though.
Yeah, but way less damage than your Ferrari. Are you kidding me?
Oh, for sure.
What state it came
Fresno, California.
from? Fresno, California.
Yeah, so not very far from
A
us.
street sign.
I think it's dented there.
No, it's for sure. It's in.
So we're gonna have to
So-
come from behind that and hit that back out or something.
It hit above, so nothing crashed into the car. It hit above the crash bar.
What does it look like here?
Right here.
It hit right here. So,
What did he hit?
It must have spun her out.
See, the wheel has a notch out of it.
so he could have went over a median.
That's what I said. I was like,
I feel like he was going crowd hunting and hit a sign
Yeah, but
first.
that
I
might
think-
not be good because
No.
you might have damage underneath, right?
So if he, yeah, that we'll see that. He had to slide this way and hit something.
he probably hit here and spun around.
but then you would think that he would have a cracked wheel if he hit this front end, but maybe he might have just missed it.
That goes along with your sign idea because a sign is like narrow and it'll jab into the fender and go over. It looks really nice in there.
Yeah, the inside's not bad, dude. It has like the BRZ switches.
Oh, hell yeah. I
We love
that
those
shit.
switches. He stole the shift knob. What a guy.
What a guy. Everything he could have taken.
Yeah, he took everything he
Souvenir.
could. Back seats are intact though, other than the little scratched interior that we just got because we pulled that fender out. But
Airbags are in town.
airbags didn't go off. I'm excited not to deal with that. Dude, mosquitoes are everywhere tonight.
I killed it.
What is this?
Ugh.
Ew, God, girls, get that out of here.
Ugh.
Oh, this gearbox is so awesome. I'm so pumped.
It looks like about the same.
It's just
as
very
ours.
notchy. It's just like a stock BRZ is what it feels like. It's just notchy and like
good.
confident.
I like that.
Well,
Okay.
so we're gonna have to do a battery tender overnight, get this battery back, and we're gonna have to start diving deep into this thing.
I'm
we
really
have to
curious
remove
to see
like
what's underneath.
everything.
Forensic scientists over here. Teach, we're gonna figure it out. I'm excited to see what's underneath. Well, not excited, but you know,
Excited.
excited.
I'm excited.
Just not excited.
Hey, something that I noticed, dude. There's no exhaust tips.
Yo, he went over median because the exhaust got fucking torn off.
Oh my God!
What?
The whole rear exhaust is missing. That's why the resonators are in here.
He
went over something.
He went over something.
Our mans was trying to do a skid and lost control and went over a median, hit a stop sign, and totaled his car.
Wait, no, that's not true.
It is.
No, because
You can obviously
there's no damage underneath at all. Someone just took the exhaust off.
No,
Both
dude.
shredded.
He could have stole the exhaust. He stole the shift knob. He could have taken the exhaust. He could have
took
been that
the
guy.
exhaust from the junkyard because he didn't want it to get taken because it was an aftermarket.
What a guy.
Rip.
What a guy.
Still, the story continues, Teach.
We haven't started it up. We haven't driven it yet. We haven't looked at any components yet. I didn't know if there was any coolant in it, so we haven't even gotten that far. So we still have a lot of science to start debunking here. I'm pumped. Finally joining the Mustang gang. It only feels right to grab a Mustang that was previously owned by a crowd sender. I'm a proud owner of a once crowd sended Mustang. On that note,
Send.
wish us luck. It's already pretty late. I'm gonna close the video out here. I know you guys want to see more, but now that this thing is here, we're gonna be getting back into that daily content. This marks the start of the Mustang series. Thank you so much for watching, and we will see you in the next video.
Check out this premium condensation. As much as this is a good thing, we're gonna change it out. Here we have the new Tom's taillight. This is essentially Miley's new booty cheek. Let's go install it.